On the Phasm show, what are we making? Smoked salmon bagels.
And we're also making something else with it.
So to make smoked salmon bagels, you need only two things. Smoked salmon, which you can buy in a lot of places, but it's high in sodium. So you know. And bagels, which we buy bagels, they gotta be fresh. Now, you also need, you don't, but you should, you need capers, which you can buy at the spice aisle. And then, we're also making avocados. So in a minute, we'll show you how to make these avocados really awesome. So now, are we gonna cut one more avocado?
Yes.
So the way you cut an avocado is you open it like that, and you whack
And you don't do this ever.
this, and then dump that out, and then you cut it as crisscrosses. This is like the Ina Gartentia close-ups of.
No, she has bad rep.
Why?
I don't know. Not entirely. Ow. I pierced it through the other side.
Use cut-resistant gloves next time.
I will.
Like we use it without chemical. So you don't get paper cuts sitting at your desk. And just spoon it out. Now you got cubes.
And we're stuck.
Okay, so that's how you cut an avocado.
And we gotta grab a mushroom.
Now today we're trying these mushroom steaks. I've never tried these before.
They're really good. I'm supposed to watch it?
No, it's been growing in the dirt. It's basically 88% dirt.
Okay.
So you see, it's almost the consistency of a potato. It's an above ground potato. That's what it is.
You present it nicely.
As long as you remove the whiskers from under. The whiskers they're called gills. Now, while she's out of the picture, check out my new coffee station. This was all my idea, even though I don't drink coffee. So we got our DeLonghi coffee maker, which you can see in our other video, and I've got a stand from Amazon for all the various syrups. I need to add some more syrups, and we got our cocaine scale. And by cocaine scale, I'm going to show you what I mean. This is a scale I bought on Amazon. It's actually got two scales. One here and one here. And I was like, why do I have two scales, Phasm? Well, Phasm, because this one's for weighing like a couple grams of stuff. Let's say 100 grams, a kilo. It goes all the way up to like 10 kilos. Actually more. With my hand, I can put 14 kilos of force on it. So this other one here is sensitive to 0.001 grams. So like we're talking milligrams. So I can put tear this. I put a little piece of paper towel on here. Takes a second. Oops. No. Tear this. It never works when I have the video on.
Put a card on it.
A business card is 2 grams though.
Not her name.
Oh, if you need anything from Crate and Barrel, this lady will come to your house. Her name is Tara. That's not what I wanted to show. maybe a paper towel. I used the paper last time, but basically, see, that's 0.2. That's a quarter of a gram. Maybe. See that? It weighs it. It weighs a little tiny thing. It's extremely sensitive. So I got sidetracked here. This video was about making smoked salmon. So we got a pan and always turn your handles in so they don't get knocked out.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at the other way.
Which way?
It gives me control.
That
I
way
hold
good.
it like this.
That way is good too. Just
Yeah.
as long as they're facing outside.
Yeah.
So add some olive oil.
We're just trying to cook our mushroom sticks. So they become soft. And are not feeling like they just came from dirt. We're waiting for our oven to heat up. We're gonna pop the bagels in the oven because we don't have a toaster.
Oh yeah, we're getting a toaster Monday. Oven is slowly heating.
How come you're really only 6 minutes?
I don't know, because I got distracted by like avocados and coffee makers.
At the end, I'm gonna put it on boil. I'm gonna put it in for 4 minutes and then boil for 1 minute, okay?
Okay. So broil for 4 minutes and then boil for 1 minute.
Opposite. Bake for 4 minutes
Bake.
and boil for 1.
Bake for 4 minutes, boil for 1 minute. Now if this doesn't work, we'll make another attempt at this. Because I've never put bagels in the oven.
I haven't either. I just
I've never put bagels in the toaster even. I've just eaten them.
as is.
Unless I go somewhere fancy and somebody boils my bagels for me. Did you know a good bagel is boiled? That's how they make it. They boil
That's
them,
how they make bagels, yes.
which is crazy.
Can you put it on top, right? Or maybe it's gonna burn. No.
Look in my fridge. We still have this ice maker is getting worse by the day. On Monday we will massacre it. And so we're using a whipped Philly cheese, cream cheese, whipped cream cheese.
She's medium, right? No? Eat it with the eggs.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Do you know the name of it?
What, portobello?
Yes.
It's right there on the package.
You kept. Oh, look, this looks funny. Do you want tomatoes and eggs separate?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Separate.
On the same plate?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'll take a little bit of this avocado.
Oh, there's eggs too?
Do you want eggs too?
No,
I was making eggs for me. Because I don't eat smoked salmon.
why not? It's
I just
kosher.
It's not about that. I just don't eat it.
Why?
Not much. Maybe you'll try it.
You never tried it before?
I have.
And?
Not my favorite thing to eat, I guess.
Well, then we won't put them for too long. So we put the bagels back in the oven. And now we broil. Uh-oh, doorbell. Okay, she burned the bagels. All I did was go
Yes, okay.
all I did was go open the door. Now.
Lo and behold. It's not the dumb. Why are you eating that? Don't eat it. Come here. Do you like it like this? What do you want to put on it?
They're actually okay.
No, we're gonna. I got you these ones. What do you want to put on top of it?
So we missed the spot. We got. So we
Make
got
another one. Do you want to put on top of it, or do you like it open?
closed.
I don't know.
Some people like it open, some people like it closed. But if you
Where
leave
are
it
the
open,
keepers going?
if you leave it open, you maximize the amount of salmon you
That's
can
what I'm
eat.
saying.
So
then-
we made some new bagels. We also got simply peach. Oh, this is peach. I thought this was apple juice.
Oh, it's peach. Capers?
Capers go on at the end.
Where? On the top?
Yeah.
What, for decoration?
No, you just eat them.
Where? Where do you want me to put? You want me to put a pile on the side?
Yeah. No, they go on here on the
That's
salmon.
what I'm saying.
That's why I said they go on the salmon. So you got cream cheese, salmon,
I'm just getting caper juice. I'm not getting
And you
anything
got-
else out of this. Hold on.
you got a caper spoon. Can we order a caper spoon off Amazon?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, see, just like that.
More?
No, it's good. You can only eat so many capers.
Do you want more salmon on it? Because I put very little.
You can put lots of salmon. We need that protein. Otherwise, we'll just go to Starbucks and get a protein.
No.
A protein iced matcha or something.
No.
Iced matcha cortado.
No. Okay.
And then here we just have a plain bagel with eggs. No cheese. And that's that. If you have any questions or you have breakfast ideas, please post a comment. Thank you.